So I saw a couple people mention this yesterday, and we basically finally got exactly what we needed to see in terms of ADA. And this is something that I said people should prepare for. And yesterday we finally experienced it. What I'm talking about is a retracement. We went through a retracement finally after ADA went on this massive rally, guys. We climbed over 55% in just essentially what, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. That is an insane run during these times. Okay. This is what we look like in terms of the charts. It's been almost all green daily candles. It's been great to be an ADA holder as of late. So some people were obviously upset and mentioning, oh yeah, ADA cratering back to earth when it went through a 4% drop. It's in the game. It was supposed to happen. I called many times before. I said, hey, we're going to face a retracement at some point. And we finally did. Now, the great thing is ADA is actually already rallying again today. It's up 3.26%. It's back up to 35.5 cents. And right now we're beginning to print this bull pennant. All right. This is obviously a great sign. The markets are looking strong. BTC up at 35.3. These are very positive times for the market. This run that ADA has done is absolutely insane. Now, it's going to be interesting to see if we do end up consolidating in here before making a move, or if we just zip right out of here. All right. Not saying we're going to go to 44 cents because that's where it shows on here, but we're very quickly cutting through liquidity and levels of resistance. And there are not a lot of people that want to sell their ADA right now. And this is kind of why I had talked about that liquidity crunch, that supply shock that we may experience as we get into a bull market cycle. If we're cutting through this fast right now, what do you think it's going to look like during a bull market cycle? It's kind of what I want to remind people. Now, we are well above the 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average. We are above all the things right now. Okay. We are in fact also testing this 50-week moving average. That's where we ended up getting our rejection at. We're seeing a lot of positivity right now, guys. This is that first big step again towards that major movement. If I pulled up the ADA BTC charts, we'd be able to see that too. Again, we're all moving the right direction. This is only going to be maximized once we do, in fact, get that bull market confirmation. Once we get, into the Bitcoin halving, once we get past or into alt season, getting ahead of myself here. Once we get into alt season, there are very good times ahead. This is ridiculous, guys. This is the same type of move that we experienced to start the year. Now, whether we consolidate and come back down like we did, basically between February and March is kind of the big question here. If BTC stays strong, because again, we have that correlation with BTC, it's possible we could rally through the end of the year and then obviously get into an explosive January. That's where, again, you could really see us tackle some of these levels. Realistically, ADA could make a move up to 60 to 70 cents at that point. These are very exciting times. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what's going to happen. I don't have a crystal ball. There's no guarantees in crypto. Okay. ADA could right now be a big target of a lot of matriculating capital. Okay, we're at $1.34 trillion. So we are seeing an influx of capital into the space. This is a great sign. A lot of capital is still matriculating, guys. Be aware of that. All right. Right now, ADA is, I believe, one of the top gainers in the top 20 coins. Obviously, Matic is up at 23.6%. ADA is at 23.7%. Chainlink's at 25.5%. It's kind of like your little walk around the space here, but be happy that you're in ADA. Things are looking good. Advancements are going the direction that they need. And there are much better times coming here in 2024 and 2025. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know where you think we're headed for the rest of the year, but have a great day and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.